how to add or remove a precipitation weather widget to the iPhone 17 lock screen. First, let's go to your lock screen. So we're going to tap or press on the sub button here. This will bring your phone to your lock screen. Then we touch and hold on a blank spot. Next, tap on Customize. And here you can add it to the top widget panel or bottom widget panel. Here, tap on it. Then we scroll down and tap on Weather. From here, swipe across and select Precipitation. Tap on it and it will add to your panel. Here it will show you forecast for rain, snow, sleet, or hail forecasted for your location. Okay, so tap on the close button, then tap on a blank spot up here, and then tap on Done. And that's it. Now if you go to your lock screen, we can see it shows the precipitation widget on the lock screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.